Hello everyone, welcome back to Epic Adventures. Today we are going to do one more video of unboxing of an action camera. Last time we had seen Insta360 X4 unboxing, and this time we are doing something different where you can see me as well along with the unboxing. Alright, so let's get straight into it. There are two news, one a good news and the second a bad news. I think we'll go with the bad news first. The bad news is that my current Insta360 X4 has been damaged, and I tried to get it repaired and also got a lens guard fixed to it, but unfortunately the quality of the video has deteriorated. And I think with these scratches and everything, right now, even after trying to repair it, there's a blurring that comes into the video. Unfortunate that I have to send it back to the service center, which is going to take at least a month according to the reviews that I've seen online. So the good news is that I've ordered another action camera from Amazon, and this is DJI Action 5 Pro. So let's take a look at it. What's in the box? Here's the box. Alright, and it says DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro Adventure Combo Bundle. Right, this costed me about 47,000, which also includes another item that I ordered for the helmet chin mount. I'm going to show you that as well by the end of the video. The maximum retail price MRP on this is 49,990, and in discount I got it for about 46,999. 3,000 discount. And what's included in this combo is that it has an extension rod, there are 3 batteries, and a battery case, right? Let's see, what else do we have? This box contains few other things, like I said, Osmo Action 5 Pro, extreme battery, which are 3 in number, and a battery case, 1.5 meter extension rod, locking screws, there are 2 locking screws, and protective frame, curved adhesive base, adapter mount, and there's an adapter mount mini, and a Type-C cable, right? And this comes with a 1-year warranty. You guys can take a look, right? Okay. Right, let's open it up. Okay, I'm going to quickly take off this box. There's a side sticker that I need to. Okay, here it comes. There are 2 parts to it. I'm just going to open. There's one part which says Osmo Action 5 Pro. I'm guessing this is the camera. That is correct. And again, it has 2 things. One is the camera mount of the box, and the actual camera. The camera looks quite small. This is the size of the camera, I think. Let's see how it does, how it works. Maybe we could do a detailed video on that a little later. Alright, I'm going to keep this down. Let's take a look at the next thing in the box, which is this. This has got a screw and the I don't know what this is. This must be a mount, but let's figure it out. Let's try and put this case. Okay, so this should come at the top. Make sure we are matching this. Right at the top, what you can see here, you'll have to pull the strap up so that this becomes a little bit loose, and then you could fix this up quite easily. See, this goes straight in, and then lock that up. You're all set. Okay. Alright, these are the two screws that they've given. Maybe let me open it and show it to you guys. This is how the screws look. I'm just going to put it back because I'll try and fix it a little later. And the other one is this mount. I'm guessing this is used to mount it on the stick, I believe, but let's find out. We are going to unbox the next part of this, which is the accessories. And this is in the box that I got as accessories. I'm going to open that now. Let's see what we have. The first thing is another mount item. I'll show you, this is how it looks. It could be used for multiple things, but we'll have to figure that out later. For the unboxing, I think that should do. Okay, this must be the battery case. Let me open it. Yes, that's absolutely right. I'm going to show you. The light turns on. There are 3 batteries straight. The next thing in the box is the USB Type-C cable. I don't think I need to open it and show it to you guys. And there's a manual that comes with the box, and this is the scan code to install the application. And yeah, that's pretty much it in this box. Let's see what else we have in this main package. You can see this is the stick mounting for the selfie stick. Let's open this. This is the last thing. So this can be mounted straight onto the Telkin or Telsin motorbike mount, which you can just straight away screw it up right on the bike. And then I think this is where the other mount goes, where you can fix the camera. Alright, so that's pretty much what I had in the box. I'm gonna quickly show you an item, the helmet mount that I ordered. This doesn't come along with the box, or this is not part of the combo, but I did order it separately. Okay, I'm just gonna straight cut this through so that it's easier for the... Alright, here we go. This is what I ordered, and the brand is Action Pro.in, which you can see. The average review was about 3.9 rating on Amazon. I hope this helps. Some have reviewed that the others was not great, but I can see 3M on this one, which means it should have pretty good adhesive and should hold the camera. Okay, I think with that we come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you so much. You guys have a wonderful day ahead.